Hi everyone, Comic Fury here. This time doing part 2 of Legends of the DC Universe, Crisis on Infinite Earths. So as we left off, we're now at Earth D Superman's Fortress of Solitude. And Earth D Superman asks Perith, time's running out, what we're gonna do. And says that I definitely have something behind it. And pretty much Earth D Green Arrow, who's Native American, says, cool, then it can be stopped. So Barry points out that, this Earth has never dealt with anything this big, and it's starting out. So his teammates, or friends, can be brought here to kind of help deal with the problem. And Perith pretty much leaves. Well, Barry Allen points out that he did ran off when things got bad, and this was due to killing Reverse Flash, and also the fact of what happened to Iris, and says that he's not going to let it happen again. And as soon as Perith quickly comes back, we are shown with the Earth 1 heroes who offered to basically help. So they end up meeting their counterparts, with Firestorm saying, "Oh, where's my counterpart? There's gotta be a nuclear man somewhere in this crowd." And yeah, this does sort of imply that the Earth D version of Firestorm has yet to appear, had the crisis never happened. So pretty much Psycho Pirate and Anti-Monitor launch off the kind of bomb to release the Shadow Demons, as well as that the skies start to become red again. And Batman asks Barry, we saw you die in that, which was a reference to issue 2 and 3, where after battling Joker, he ended up seeing a kind of more, grotesque version of Barry Allen. So pretty much, Earth 1 Batman meets the Earth D Robin, who's a bit more, happy-go-lucky and all that, and Batman says, the situation is depends, you should take matters more serious. And he's like, I just don't take myself all that seriously. So pretty much the Shadow Demons enter the Fortress of Solitude, and the heroes pretty much have a hard time trying to take them down. The same with Earth D, Adam, and the same with Dawnstar and Green Lantern, as well as the Flash. And Earth D Green Arrows pretty much says that this is more difficult, like putting out a forest fire with a squirt gun. And the first ones to fall are Earth D, Hawkman and Hawkgirl. And despite Barry trying to get him to pay attention, ends up dying, with the Earth D heroes seeing that their first comrades have fallen. And as soon as basically Earth D Supergirl says about getting the Phantom Projector, and despite not paying attention to her surroundings, Superman sacrifices himself and ends up dying, and they quickly leave. Even Superman looks shocked, as this is like watching himself die, and they quickly leave the Fortress of Solitude. So they do kind of say to Superman that they are using the Phantom Zone Projector and it's going to work, which Superman says that it's best he didn't know what happened, and they give the Earth D Superman a burial, with Superman saying that it was like watching himself die, but he's not going to let this happen to his Earth. So even Batman says that, that you have got the potential and that you need to toughen up. So Earth D Batman kind of says we do things differently here, and even says that he's got a family himself, which kind of says that, unlike you, I want to spend the last few moments with my family. And everyone walks off to say goodbye to their loved ones. So pretty much Superman and Earth D Supergirl say that, that Kal-El was lucky to have you and that we're gonna help you. So we're introduced into Portugal, where the Earth D version of Hal Jordan is trying to move past these shadow demons, and even got an Earth D version of Abin Sur, who's been sent to investigate. And after basically his ship gets attacked by the shadow demons, ends up crash landing, where the Earth D Green Lantern becomes Earth D's Green Lantern. And his outfit is meant to be a version of Kyle Rayner's. So pretty much the crisis happens firsthand, and the first one to fall is Robin. Others try to rescue as many people they can, with Wonder Woman being next to go. And even the Flash is trying to do the best they can, with Hal Jordan, John Stewart making makeshift slides, but ends up rescuing the kid who gets scared, and is honoured to meet basically Josie Rodriguez, who's just on the job as Green Lantern. And they basically point out what they're gonna do. Even Earth D Aquaman points out that half the oceans are gone, and so are his family. So Earth D Flash says that they can build a cosmic treadmill based on Barry's, but make it bigger. And so pretty much they decide that they are going to go through this, and even Superman is pleased about Earth D Supergirl's spirit, and knows that one day her and her version of Superman will meet each other again on the other side. So Earth D Flash says goodbye to his family and heads off to basically help save people and those that are left. So I'm going to have to end it here again, so Comic Reviewer here, signing out.